Hey y'all, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to do the knitted cast on. This is a nice short tail cast on. You don't need a long tail, and you just start with the slip knot. Get that on your needle. I'm using a 9mm needles and number 6 yarn, so you can see it hopefully quite easily. Alright, and we are just going to knit this first stitch. So we put our needle in knitwise, wrap the yarn over, knit that stitch, but now we are going to pull up a long loop and we are going to slide that onto our left needle like so. To continue casting on, we are going to knit that stitch, pull up a long loop, slide that on, and then tighten it. And we will just keep doing that for the number of stitches you need to cast on. This is the knitted cast on.